How you doing today? Talking about intarsia, and I have this cockatoo I just finished. Well, I haven't finished, but I've got it mostly cut out and shaped and everything. And I just want to talk about the difference between segmented and intarsia. This is one of my intarsia pieces, but is segmented pretty much the whole way. I have aspen, ebony, wenge, black, limba, canary, walnut, as all the woods in this. And as you can see, it looks just like most intarsia pieces, but it was totally segmented. And I'll show that segmented meaning that is cut from one piece. Intarsias, they use different grains, different species of wood to get your final picture. But if I strip this down, take all the other pieces away, I could show you that this piece was cut from one piece of wood, meaning segmented. I didn't use any grain direction. It's all one piece. All the grains go in the same direction. And I used aspen because there's very little grain direction in it and you can barely see it. So it doesn't really much matter when it comes to this piece I just did. And then it becomes intarsia once you add all the other attributes. But like I said, it is segmented because these were all cut from one piece. That was one piece and that was one piece. And I put them all together. So that's my lesson for today, and I hope you learned something new.